While the world sleeps, Leo, a chef fueled by purpose, is already winning his day. Each dawn is a deliberate choice to cultivate strength and unwavering focus. This is his canvas for a life well lived. His day begins not with coffee, but deliberate movement. Leo sculpts his body and sharpens his mind, building a physical foundation for the long hours ahead. What's your non-negotiable morning routine? Comment below. Post-workout, hydration and mindfulness take center stage. Leo carefully prepares infused water, a simple ritual to ground himself. It's about clarity, not just calories, setting his mental tone for the day. For Leo, food isn't just sustenance, it's art. Every dish begins with respect for ingredients, meticulously sourced for freshness and quality. This commitment creates meals that truly nourish body and soul. Back in his kitchen, Leo prepares the heart of his dish, fluffy rice and protein-packed quinoa. These whole grains provide sustained energy, forming a robust foundation for the flavors to come. Simple, yet essential fuel. Next, the protein. Leo expertly prepares tender chicken breast, seasoned and cooked to juicy perfection. This lean protein is crucial for muscle repair, keeping him full and energized for his demanding schedule. A rainbow of fresh vegetables bursts with color and nutrients as Leo meticulously chops. Crisp peppers, crunchy celery, and vibrant herbs are chosen for flavor and health benefits. Every bite offers vitality. The masterpiece takes shape, a nourishing chicken salad. Leo combines chicken, rice, quinoa, and fresh veggies with a light, flavorful dressing. This isn't just a meal, it's a symphony of textures and tastes for optimal performance. Lunchtime is Leo's sacred pause, a moment to savor the fuel he's prepared. Each bite of his chicken salad powers his afternoon, ensuring sustained energy without the dreaded post-meal slump. This is intentional eating. Fueled by his balanced meal, Leo moves into an afternoon of intense creativity. Whether perfecting a recipe or refining a menu, his mind is sharp and energy consistent. This is pure glow in action. Leo dedicates time to inspiring others, sharing his philosophy that good food fosters a good life. He mentors aspiring chefs, passing on skills and the connection between nourishment and personal growth. His passion is contagious. As the day softens, Leo takes a moment to reflect. He embraces the quiet, knowing his choices have laid the groundwork for another successful tomorrow. This isn't just a routine, it's a purposeful way of life. Leo's journey reminds us, you don't have to be perfect, but you do have to keep showing up, especially for yourself. Nourish your body, ignite your mind, and watch your world transform. You deserve this pure glow.